journey has been take after take. But by the time this film was over, it was one take. Even today, he doesn't require any more than one take.
So many years of retake ka practice, no? But there was a scene where in the mandir I had to give a cue to Alok Nath ji, and I was missing that. And when his lines were over and then my line came, I almost become Shah Rukh Khan. What was that? Because you're working with Alok Nath in front. You know, somebody who's there in the film industry and popular. तो आवाज ही नहीं निकलती थी बाहर. And then, so whatever you see of Alok ji right now, the whole sanskari bit is Suraj Babu.
No, but everyone says Salman Khan, everyone says big star, lucky, but there are some things I know what he has gone through because I've been through those times. I've been through that time when we have finished dubbing him. We've gone to the mixing studio. Both of us are sitting at the back. Our mixing, and that mixing engineer used to mix Prakash Mehra film, Manmohan Desai film, huge table, both of us sitting at the back. And he starts mixing, he hears the first reel and he tells my father, Raj Babu, this, you have to dub his voice. Ye to film gayi, nahi to. And both of us look at each other. He says, you know, and he didn't care.
Yeah, because even the earlier from BV Hota Aisi, they dub my voice. I say, yeah, dub karo kisi se.
And he tells the engineer that naya ladka hai, you have to give him one more chance, into himmat jayegi. And we redubbed the whole film. Earlier we dubbed in the mornings, then we dubbed in the afternoons, in the evenings. And today, no one has the guts to tell him one more at dubbing.
Woo!
That has been.
I told my own only. That 10 more I only give. If anyone says cake or sir, I only give 10 different variations of that. But the amazing thing is a 20-year-old boy had the courage at that point of time to cast me. And he was there right in front of me at every given time. Every given time. Will be dubbing, will be the casting, will be one more retake. It will be I'm sure that this film would have been made in the amount that they used to make films at that point of time, 40 lakh, 50 lakh. But I'm sure that 1 crore 11 lakhs and 20 lakhs का जो budget गया होगा, उसमें मेरा बहुत बड़ा हाथ होगा. Because if you calculate that, those 10, 15 retakes, if you calculate कि उस वक्त तो we used to shoot on negative, so raw stock used to be very expensive also. So एक रिहर्सल हुआ, एक टेक हुआ, सेकंड टेक हुआ, नहीं रिहर्सल कर लो 4-5 रिहर्सल ठीक हो गए, फिर वापस से किया. So that I remember that one, we got stuck on a lot of things, but there's that one scene, माँ तो ऐसा कर, तू मेरे लिए ऐसी लड़की ढूंढ, boy cut, ये वो pop cut वगैरह, वो that scene. We started at 10:30. जब late आना का हमेशा तो थोड़ा सा problem था. From the first film. How much tension he used to give me, because abhi tak, you know, that sadma is still not gone. That everyone's going to be waiting. So I used to try and go to sleep at 9 o'clock. 9:30 has to be wide awake. And then from there, trying to sleep, tossing, turning. और यही ख्वाब आते थे कि late हो जाऊंगा यार, late हो जाऊंगा यार, उठो, late हो जाऊंगा. And then वाकई में I used to get late. फिर वो नींद मुझे आती थी 6:30 बजे कि 5 बजे सो जाता हूँ. Sunday has to wake up 8:30 बज गए. Now I'm going to reach Natraj studio Andheri. So sit in the car means drive. That Lakshman Dada used to drive me. I used to park the car on the highway. I used to run off. I used to do parkour then. I used to run into from the highway. I used to come into Stage Studio, jump the wall of Stage Studio, run into Natraj and stand there. Where are you? Your car? There's a car outside there, parked. When you came? I was here at 8 o'clock in the morning. ये 1.5-2 महीने चलता रहा एकदम. So one day he figured something fishy is going on. So now I'm jumping the wall and he sees me in high speed. He's standing right next to the wall. I said, this is not fair, Suraj Babu. Suraj, don't give me this time. Get 9 baje yaar. 7 o'clock shift, I'll never be late. But 9 o'clock is that time that you fall asleep. So one day, हम साथ साथ हैं. Same problem. 7 o'clock shift. I was there at 7:15 in the morning. Huh? He showed me the watch. I said, nice watch, Suraj Babu, new one. 7:15, everyone ready with dress and all. That's okay. Next day, I went there at 4:30 in the morning, dressed up, and I sat down there. 4:30 in the morning, party waiting करके चला गया वहाँ पर. There. So then I think More was there. He called up Suraj Babu in the room. He says, "वो सलमा मैं आपके ready makeup के साथ बैठ गए यहाँ पर." So he comes 5:30 in the morning. He says, "I'm married man. I've got children. Don't do this to me."
But this has been a journey. Then came Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. Hum Aapke Hain Kaun, I wrote the script, and honestly, when I wrote the script, when we wrote, not many had the faith in this. So I remember Salma Bhai, Sangeeta both came to the house, and when I narrated him, he loved the script. One of the few people who loved, and he said कि इस picture में best ये कि ना कोई hero heroine कोई नहीं है, सभी hero heroine है, including the dog. And literally he was a big star at that time, and there have been songs where he's like a junior artist, a dancer sitting in the Samdi Samdan गाने में पीछे 6-7 दिन तक सिर्फ ताली बजा रहे हैं. My DOP, my assistant asking, sir, he'll feel bad, but no, he's there and he's clapping because he knew the film. Then came Hum Saath Saath Hain. Hum Saath Saath Hain में I casted him in a sober role, and I remember that time he told me, Suraj Babu, let me do the third role. I said नहीं सर वो सब हम लोगों ने कर लिया, एक संजीत की ऐसा एक करेंगे ऐसा role. So he agreed and he did. And yes, after the release, a lot of people told me, "Arey, we wanted to see Salman Khan in that role, in this role." But I felt, oh, did I make a mistake? But the best part was when his dad, Salim Saab, came out of the trial, he says, "Salman, this is your best role." So this has been a journey. In Hum Saath Saath Hai, I remember I wanted Salman Bhai, he was a character who was saying, why is there poverty outside? Why is there suffering outside? Why is there dukh outside? That was the character. And what we have here in this film is the same Prem who has the answer to all those questions. So Prem Ratan Dhan Payo is our answer to all those questions, all those answers to all the journey that we've had together to answer and to tell us what this Ratan Dhan is all about. So this is our journey. This has been where we have come.
It's a complete circle that is finally closed. It's been wonderful. A big round of applause.
The screen test. I just realized that how similar Suraj and me used to be then. What happened to me?
Because of you. इस पिक्चर का मैं एक सवाल करना चाहता हूँ